Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal could also be used for Taco Tuesday. It's Mahi slow cooker tacos, and they could be used for Taco Tuesday. So, using Mahi in the slow cooker was really easy and very tasty. And so, hopefully, you'll give this one a try. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Everyone, happy Monday. And as Yoda said, this one could also be used for Taco Tuesday. This is Mahi slow cooker tacos. So we've got our Mahi fillets in there, well caught. Got them in a bag from Walmart. There's 4 of them, and then I put a cup and a half of onion down there. It's supposed to be red onion, but I had white frozen, so that's what we're using. And then instead of halves of small grape tomatoes, we're using black beans that I drained and washed and rinsed on the bottom. It says it's gonna be for tacos, so it's all in there, and I'm making some rice too. Then you spray it with olive oil, the slow cooker, and then we are going to put this on top. So let me tell you what's in this. It is sweet paprika, but it's smoked paprika because that's what I had. 2 teaspoons of that, teaspoon of garlic powder, oregano leaves, 3/4 of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of sea salt. Actually, 3/4 of a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon, 3/4 of a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a tablespoon of olive oil. That's what's in here. Then we're going to put this on the fish and then put 1 more tablespoon of olive oil over it. Keep having to get my stuff together. All right. And then cover it low 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. And then I'll show you. Got it all covered. 1 more tablespoon of olive oil. Cover it. Low. All right, everybody, it was done. Just 90 minutes, 1.5 hours, and you just flake it with a fork. I stirred it all together. It's ready to go in our tacos, or it could be on nachos. We got our rice all ready to go here too. So it's done. It's what's for dinner. And also could be used for Taco Tuesday. Slow cooker Mahi tacos. Enjoy.